Vizlib Gantt is a feature-rich project planning and visualization tool. Gantt illustrates the project schedule and helps the user to visualize the timelines and deadlines of tasks, upcoming events, and activities. It's an excellent solution for managers of all industries. Groups declutter large and lengthy projects so that you can focus on what really matters. Custom tooltips enrich projects with additional context by showing images, additional metrics, and even document previews. Progress bars track progress against budgets or deadlines as your data changes. You'll know exactly how much work there is left to do. When used alongside Vizlib writeback and Vizlib input form, Vizlib Gantt becomes an even more powerful tool. As a full project management tool, this enables users for the first time to take projects beyond visualization alone. Using the input form, you can allow users to add new tasks as they wish, following certain parameters by limiting group and resource names to certain values. When you're done, this reloads instantly. Using Vizlib buttons and Vizlib filters, I can take my Gantt to the next level and modify the layout and change the scope of data on the fly. Components like these add to visualizing projects by making analysis faster and smarter, by providing shortcuts to insights. Gantt charts can be complex visualizations for some. We've made getting started easy with the use of our wizard. In a few easy steps, I'll be able to create a Gantt, selecting events or tasks, start date, end date fields, and optional fields for hierarchical groups. Once I click Create, I'll have a Gantt ready to go. Let's add progress bars and tweak the styling. Grouping colors by header will help differentiate project tasks that belong to different groups. Progress bars can be added using simple expressions which return a decimal representing a percentage. We'll use a random number in this example. To add further customization, alternative coloring options are available to be used. Using custom coloring of event bars, I can achieve contextual coloring based on any of my other data. Take resource for example. Coloring by this field lets me visualize who is working on which tasks without the need to add extra tables or charts to the sheet.